Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a video with AI, kind of like the one you're watching right now. But before I do that, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so first head over to clipchamp.com and sign up for a free account. Once you've signed into Clipchamp, click on the Create a Video with AI button. So firstly, name your video and select the genre. Then either click to add media or drag and drop your files. Once they've all uploaded, click on the Get Started button to continue. Next it will ask you to tell them what styles you like for your video. So if you like this style, give it a thumbs up. Keep going thumbs up. And then when you find one that you don't particularly like, give it a thumbs down. And that's it for now. It's now finalizing my video. So next, choose which aspect ratio suits your video, so whether you want landscape or portrait. Then, how long should your video be? I'm going to put less than 30 seconds, but you can go full length. If you have more media, it does give you the option to do a 60-second video. Once you're happy with that, click on Next. Here you can customize your video by choosing what type of music you want on it. So you click on that and choose which music. You can also choose what font you would like to appear through your video. So if there's any text that shows, you can choose which font you like. Then once you're happy with your video, you just click on Export button to save your video in 1080p. If you would like to add more special effects to your video and further edit, click on the Edit in Timeline button and this will take you to the editor. But I'm just going to click on Export to export the video. And then once it's done exporting, you're finished with your video. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.